Introducing Daily Energy, a leading vitamin B supplement with added folic acid, Tri-Methyl Glycine, and zinc, making it the world's most effective and powerful B vitamin complex. B vitamins play a vital role in maintaining your health and well-being. As the building blocks of a healthy body, vitamin B has a direct impact on your energy levels, brain function, and even your sleep. B vitamin deficiency is often mistaken for the side effects of aging. Symptoms of being vitamin B deficient include cognitive decline, brain fog, difficulty sleeping, low energy levels, trouble focusing, increased stress, muscle loss, and increased body fat. Recently, a USDA study conducted at the Human Nutrition Research on Aging Center discovered that nearly 40% of Americans aged between 26 and 83 years old have low or deficient levels of B vitamins. This can result in depleted energy levels, reduced cognitive function, and a weak immune system, affecting both your physical and mental health on a day-to-day basis. Low energy levels in particular are one of the most common symptoms of vitamin B deficiency. You feel tired most mornings, even if you've had a good night's sleep. You don't have the energy to focus during the day and regularly suffer fatigue. The good news is that research shows that vitamin B supplementation can improve energy levels. Vitamin B12 is involved in energy production in your body by converting carbohydrates into glucose. Not having enough B12 can lead to anemia, which means your body does not have enough red blood cells to do the job. This can make you feel weak and tired. Supplementing with B vitamins can also help restore an impaired or damaged immune system. Meta-analysis evidence shows that B vitamin supplementation in older men and women improved the overall immune function and reversed the age-associated alteration of anti-inflammatory responses. Daily Energy contains the 10 most vital B vitamins in high-quality, clinically significant dosages. It is formulated to help you stay physically fit, mentally sharp, and energized. Daily Energy is designed to fight and prevent the mental and physical effects of B vitamin deficiency and slow aging. Taking B vitamins daily is clinically proven to improve physical strength, restore balance and mobility, prevent cognitive decline, and lower your risk of brain disorders like Alzheimer's or dementia, help maintain good mental health, improve energy levels and ward off fatigue, sharpen memory and focus, and maintain a strong and healthy immune system. Daily Energy contains all the B vitamins you need on a daily basis in clinically significant dosages. We have formulated it with 3 additional nutrients that increase the efficacy and potency of our B vitamin complex. Those nutrients are folic acid, Tri-Methyl Glycine, and zinc. Folic acid is a nutrient that you get from eating leafy green vegetables, beans, pulses, and nuts. Unfortunately, due to our modern high-stress, fast-paced lifestyles, many people are lacking in folic acid. Also, as you age, your body becomes less stable to absorb folic acids from the foods you eat. A meta-study published in the British Medical Journal in 2002 examined the evidence for the efficacy of folic acid. It concluded that numerous studies have shown a high incidence of folate deficiency correlated with mental symptoms, especially depression and cognitive decline. Another study conducted in which elderly participants with dementia were given folic acid for 120 days concluded that patients experienced significantly improved performance, visuospatial memory, logical reasoning, and associative memory. Daily Energy is also fortified with Tri-Methyl Glycine, a powerful supplement taken by elite athletes to maintain their muscles and improve their strength and balance. A 2011 study conducted at the University of Memphis and published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Training examined the difference in before and after upper body strength in men who took Tri-Methyl Glycine over 15 days. The results showed a moderate increase in total repetitions and volume load in the bench press exercise. This and studies like it are why we decided to fortify Daily Energy with 690 milligrams of TMG. We have also included zinc in our Daily Energy formulation. Zinc decreases oxidative stress and reduces levels of certain inflammatory proteins in your body. Oxidative stress leads to chronic inflammation, a contributing factor in a wide array of chronic illnesses, such as heart disease, cancer, and mental decline. In a study in 40 older adults, those who took 45 milligrams of zinc per day experienced greater reductions in inflammatory markers than a placebo group. The effective and complete nature of our daily energy is why 99% of customers rate it between 4 and 5 stars and would recommend it to a friend. To ensure every capsule of daily energy meets our high-quality standards, the entire formula is sourced and manufactured in the United States in a GMP-certified and FDA-audited facility, and all of our products undergo testing at independent third-party US-based laboratories to ensure that each bottle is perfect. Daily Energy is GMO-free, drug-free, and all-natural, and you do not require a prescription or a doctor's note to get it. So order today with complete confidence.